Hello, this is Jay from Cucumber Shop. Today we're looking at the Diva Cucumber. This is a Beit Alpha variety, regular cucumber. Very productive, originated from Johnny's Seed Supply, and that's what we're looking at today. So here we go. I've got a lot of cat facing on mine, and I don't know why, but this skin is smooth and they're definitely bitter free. That one got a bit too big. I usually wouldn't pick them at that size. This is a bit big too, but still really good at that size. Anyways, like I said, lots of cat facing I've gotten on these ones. But that's just me. I don't know why. Something that I'm doing about growing these. You know, I grow a lot of cucumbers. And definitely not perfect at it, but I can grow the cucumbers. It's just they're not always perfect looking. Let's see what else. There's some just growing. Yeah, there we are. That is a nice looking one though. Take this big one with me. Look on this side. They're kind of poorly trellised, but there you have it. Yeah, there's another one. Anyways, yep. This is the Diva Cucumber again. Just taking a look at this on my little trellis that I made here in what I call the chicken garden, and definitely a good variety. Take one more look at this one. Oh, it just looks nice. This is, you know, you can pick them at about this size. Maybe a little bigger if you like. This is a good size to pick. Again, Jay from Cucumber Shop, looking at the Diva Cucumber. Hope you enjoyed, and happy gardening.